Have you ever heard the term as easy as pie? Well, surprisingly, pie is not that easy to make. So, we're going to show you how to make a really easy pie. For this pie, you only need 4 ingredients. You're going to need an apple. Thank you. You're going to need cinnamon. Thank you. Sugar. And croissants.
And then some other things you'll need are an apple cutter, or you can just use a knife, whichever one's easier, a cutting tray, and a baking pan.
Let's get baking. Cut the apple into 8 slices. Next step is to open the croissants. Mix your cinnamon and sugar together. You can bake them for 375 for 12 minutes.
Let's get baking.
You got it?
Once your baking is done, ask an adult for help to take them out of the oven. Let them cool before you eat them.
Oh, cool. Well, time to try them.
These really were as easy as pie.